Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Canvas LMS account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process successfully. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Canvas LMS website. Log in using the email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or account settings, typically located in the top right corner. Look for options labeled Account Settings, Profile, or Verification. Step 3. Find the Verification section within your account settings. Click on Verify Account or Start Verification to begin the process. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Canvas LMS. Open the email and click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address. Step 5. Return to the Canvas LMS website and complete any additional verification steps required, such as phone number verification or two-factor authentication setup. Step 6. If identity verification is needed, prepare a government-issued photo ID. Upload a clear image ensuring all details are visible and the document is valid. Step 7. Follow all on-screen prompts to provide any additional information requested by Canvas LMS. This may include personal details, profile information, or security questions. Step 8. Wait for the verification process to complete. Check your account dashboard to confirm your verification status shows as verified or active, and verify that all features are now accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.